Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. I am Jamie Beth. Today is going to be our final Halloween look. I know I can't believe October is almost over. It is my favorite month of the year, and I'm so bummed that it is over. And normally I throw a huge Halloween party, and I can't do that this year because of COVID. So I'm really kind of bummed out with that, and then October is going to be over and I can't create any more beautiful Halloween looks. Maybe I'll just start doing like a Halloween look once a month or something. I don't know. I really enjoy doing these, so I don't know. Maybe I'll switch things around on my channel a little bit. But today we are going to do a look that my nephew kind of inspired me to do. We were talking about comic book characters when he was in town. He was in town from South Carolina for a couple weeks, and he stayed the night at my house, and we were chit-chatting and we got talking about comic book characters, and I am going to do a Venom character, and the Venom is going to be like it was starting to transform, like I'm starting to transform into Venom. So I'm going to do kind of like another little half face look. So this side is going to be Venom kind of transforming me into that character. We are going to go ahead and just jump right in. I know I look so goofy right now, but I did try to white out my one eyebrow just a little bit because this is where we're going to draw the eye. So I'm going to just kind of start with drawing the outline of how I'm going to create this character, because really we want to get the eye in there first because that is the white part. So I'm just going to take a white pencil, and I'm going to draw in where I want that eye. Next, we're going to draw in where the mouth is going to be. I did remove half of my lipstick because I do want the mouth to start halfway into my mouth. So I wanted to remove that lipstick so that I could draw some teeth there. Now what I'm going to do is take my white cream stick. I'm going to fill in my eye area. I'm going to fill in those little teeth areas too. Okay, now I'm going to take some black and I'm going to fill in around the white areas. The paints I'm using today, the body paints that I'm going to be using, are some Graftobian body paints, as well as my brand new Made You Look body paints. I am so excited that I have these. I really wanted the huge set that Made You Look came out with. If you do not know who Made You Look is, she is a YouTuber who does a bunch of beautiful like FX type of body paint drawing. She is amazing and so talented and such an inspiration. I'm so glad I got her little 3 set here. There's a bone color, a brown color, and a red color that came in this little trio. I'm so upset that I didn't get the whole entire package. I tried to save up for it, and by the time I had enough money, it was sold out. And then it did restock, and then I didn't make it in time to get the restock. So I now have to wait until this is restocked again. And I'm so bummed, but I am glad I did manage to get these 3 colors. So I am excited to use these new body paints. And we are going to, again, continue with some black in around the areas where the white is. These are water activated body paints, so all I need to do is wet my brush and swirl it in here, get it nice and activated, and I'm able to paint. coming along nicely. Ooh, that's scary kind of looking. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fill in the teeth. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is add a little bit of red to make some gums. I'm going to go into my vampire color from Made You Look's line. Okay, I don't know where my camera stops and I don't know where it stopped. All I'm doing is kind of filling in the tops of the teeth with some red, kind of give it a gummy look. I'm gonna see if I can brighten up that red just a little bit because it kind of looks a little too dark to me. Go into my Mehron Paradise palette and I'm gonna see if I can, oh, there we go, there we go. There, that's looking a little bit better. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fill in the teeth with this bone color from Made You Look. I don't want the teeth to be super duper white. Now what I'm going to do is take a paintbrush and I'm going to draw like little tentacles almost coming out of this black. Nicely. I really kind of like the way it looks. It's really spooky looking. So we're going to start going in with some shadow and shading in some of the areas. We're going to start with the eye. We're going to add some like bluish shading to the eye, and then we're going to move on to the teeth and finish that off, and then we're going to add some highlights and shading to the little areas of my face. Again, first we're going to start with the eye. We're going to add some shadow to the eye because I think he has a little bit of like a blue tint to his eye, so we're going to go ahead and add some shadow to that right now. Now I'm going to go into the teeth and start kind of adding some like brownish shadowing to the teeth, kind of to give them a little bit more depth. I'm going to add a little bit of shadowing to these tendril areas. A little bit of highlights to the little tendril things coming out, and I'm just going to use white to do that. Final look. I think it turned out pretty good. I think I did really okay. I don't think it looks bad at all. I probably could do a little bit more touch-up work, but I think overall it turned out really cool. So this is my Venom Halloween look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Remember to hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already, as well as the notification bell next to it to be notified of all of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon.